sawed this boat in half and repaired it.
Breaking news. There's been a car accident just over here. We have a lot more coming up if you want to stick around to see. You can follow me this way. Come check.
Coming up next, an expert testimony to give us a little bit more information on the accident. Stay tuned.
Hi sir, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Mr. Professor Dr. Derek, Reaction Time Specialist and Research Analyst, Director, and Scientician, PhD, MD, BA.
So what is it you do here?
I like to study the reaction time of disobedient youth while they text and drive. And I like to test the reaction time here in the lab, and then I can apply it to the road when they text.
What is reaction time?
Reaction time is how quickly someone can perceive their surroundings and react to it.
So how is reaction time affected by texting?
Let's test some of my findings that I have here in the lab. Here is a young boy. I'm going to test his reaction speed while he's texting. As you can see, it makes his reaction speed very slow and nearly 3 times as long compared to that of the average youth his age.
So do you have a message you'd like to send out to the youth?
I'd like to tell the youth that they should text and drive very often. No, don't text and drive. No, that's bad. I'm fired. I'm so fired.
Breaking news. We seem to have found ourselves with an eyewitness to the scene of the crime, and here we're going to ask him a couple questions.
Well, you see what happened was that the dog ran out in front of the car. You know, that dog's no longer here.
Wow. Anything else you want to tell us?
Yeah, I was watching it and I was like, whoa, look out for that dog. But the thing is when I saw this guy in the car, I could instantly tell he had a reaction time of 0.24 seconds. Amazing. But once I saw that he was going 70 miles per hour, I started getting a bit concerned. But I saw his car and it was fine because his braking distance would only be 0.028 miles. That's like nothing at all. So, he could easily stop.
Well, sir, if you say that he could have stopped, why did he?
Well, you see, this dimwit was texting, He's just so stupid. He just decided, I need to text my friend, and look how it ended him up. So, while he was texting, it tripled his reaction time. Made it 0.72 seconds, which, with that man, would make him travel a full 74 yards before he would have stopped. And that dog was just out of it.
Wow. Well, you heard it here, folks. That dog was out of here. Back to you, Kelly.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly.
Well, nobody's in the studio right now, but we do have a special guest here, Mr. Burt Macklin, to tell you more about the incident. Well, that's not Burt, but it does look like a reliable witness to the crime. Maybe not reliable.
The name's Macklin. Burt Macklin, FBI. I am investigating the death of this innocent creature right here. And I thought to myself, on this street side, what could have possibly killed a possum? Then I came across one key piece of evidence. this toy car, which I was playing with earlier because I was bored, but then it reminded me, could have been hit by a car. Imagine the car coming in at this angle, the driver distracted because they were texting, and BAM! Our possum friend is gone. This is a dangerous epidemic. The death of possums that are caused by people being stupid and texting while driving. Did you know that nearly 3,000 people die every year because someone was texting and driving? And did you know that nearly 1.6 million accidents occur every year because of texting and driving? It's a saddening statistic, but gives us insight to the death of this possum. Let's focus on the real issues here. How did it happen? Let's go to the thought bubble.
Let's take a look at how this car accident occurred. One day there was a car traveling down the road at a speed of about 50 miles per hour, and the driver had a reaction time to that of the one before of 0.24 seconds. And finally his car had a braking distance of about 2.112 feet per mile per hour, when suddenly a possum jumped out in front of the car. This possum jumped out about 140 feet in front of the car, which we know from very accurate forensic evidence, which would mean that if the car were to stop as soon as they saw the possum that lingered in the middle of the road, it should be able to stop in 123.288 feet. Well, that's less than 140. Then how was the possum hit? Simple. The driver's reaction time must have been affected. If we triple the reaction time, as it normally would when one is texting and driving, it would leave you with a reaction time of about 0.72 seconds. With that factored in to the car's braking distance, we get a new total of 158.664 feet. That means that our poor little possum friend is gonna be squished by this car. Bleh. Rest in peace, possum buddy. You'll be missed.
This has been a breaking news special report. Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
So the inside is completely dry. Yeah, doggy!